Okay, so Nuclide notation. If I show you what Nuclide notation is, that's where we have a symbol. So for example, I might have the symbol for the element lithium. On the bottom left, I put its atomic number, which I can get from the data booklet, which is 3. And the top left is what's known as my mass number. So the bottom number is my atomic number, and the top number is my mass number. And this is my element symbol. So this is Nuclide notation. Now, Nuclide notation can tell us important things about the 3 subatomic particles. So we've got protons, we've got electrons, and we've got neutrons. Oops. Now, protons, we should know, is always equal to the atomic number. So the atomic number here is 3. So an atom of lithium has 3 protons. We know that atoms are neutral because they have the same number of positive particles as they do negative particles. So therefore, if I have 3 protons, I also have 3 electrons. Okay? Neutrons. Now, within an atom, the 2 particles that have a mass are a proton. So a proton weighs 1 mass and a neutron weighs a mass of 1. Therefore, my mass number must be the total of these 2 added together. So I have a mass of 7. I have got 3 protons. Therefore, 7 take away 3 leaves me with 4 neutrons. Okay, so atomic number tells me how many protons I have. Protons and electrons are always equal because an atom is neutral, and protons plus neutrons gives me my mass number. So if you look at the table here that you had before, your atomic number is equal to your protons, your mass number is protons plus neutrons, your protons and electrons are equal to each other, and your number in neutrons is going to be your mass number take away your atomic number. Okay, so if we look at this example, we have an atomic number of 11. We know that atomic number, we said, was equal to our number of protons. Therefore, we have an atomic number of 11 and we have protons of 11. I also know that my protons and electrons are the same. So because electrons were 11, so did protons need to be 11. And my mass number is protons plus neutrons. So my mass number, take away my atomic number, would give me my number of neutrons. So therefore, protons plus neutrons gives me my mass. So 11 plus 12 is 23. So I then, over here, put my 2 numbers. So my mass number goes up on the top left, my atomic number comes down on the bottom left, and my symbol for atom number 11, let me just check, is sodium. So I'll put the symbol Na. Okay, next one, I've got 7 mass number, 3 protons and 3 electrons. That means I know my atomic number, so my atomic number's 3. My protons plus neutrons gives me my mass number. So 3 plus 4 gives me 7. Oh, and that gives me the actual example that we've used there. So my atomic number is 3, my mass number is 7, and element number 3 is lithium. Last one. Now you could try this yourself. Pause and then try it and then check the answer. So if I've got a mass number of 15, I've got 8 neutrons, I can work out how many protons I've got. So 8 plus what would give me 15? 7. If I've got 7 protons, I know that I must have 7 electrons. My protons are 7, so my atomic number's 7. So again, I have my atomic number and my mass number. Atomic number's down the bottom, mass number's up the top, and element number 7 is nitrogen. Okay, if you're still not sure, you can come and see me and we can go over another few.